Hi guys, welcome back to Q World, where every day we get a little bit happier. So, we're finally doing it. It's a room tour. It's slight, it's very slight, so slight, but I've been saying that I'm gonna do one and I got my life together this morning. So we're gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And right here you see my tripod and my camera, my shoes, 21st birthday balloons. This tripod is responsible for holding my mask so that I see them and don't forget them when I walk out of the house. You get over here. I just bought this bowl. It's not dirty. I need to take it downstairs. Like I said, it's a box of shoes. 3 boxes of shoes are in that one box. My fan. Then my desk, y'all. I'm so proud of myself because I put it together by myself. I didn't need help. That container up under it, it holds my paint and my art stuff, my perfumes in the second drawer, and then like my basketball shorts and sweats in my third drawer. My desk pretty self-explanatory. I got my tripod, my little Groot lamp, wallet, incense, candle, lighters, pictures, remotes for my lights. Self-explanatory. I have that light there for when I'm sitting there and I'm filming something. My speaker, 2 canvases, my bed, you know, just got that blanket. Pretty dope, you know, pretty dope. Got myself on it. I don't care if that's conceited. That's Arnold. Arnold, this isn't your world debut, but you know. I have my chair for whenever I want to not lay in bed and just pull that out and watch a movie or something. My television, on that, oh hey guys, hello. Oh, you can see my pink socks. I'm not matching. That's okay. On that you will see Deku. I have that wooden box, the music box, my crystals. Most of them are rose quartz because I'm really into rose quartz. My ring box. Up under there, I have books on one side, music books on the other, my diffuser, and then a stack of phone cases is what that clutter of things is. But they're all phone cases, they're just still in their packaging. Down there I have 2 box game systems that I don't really use, but they're there. It's a bunch of junk behind those, mainly books and like, I think like my like certificates and diploma. No, my diploma's down there. Most of those are certificates that are like wrapped up from when we moved. My tassel, class 2018. Have my camera bag there, and then my lighting setup because I don't have anywhere to put that. Trash can, it's not full, it just has a box in it. More shoe boxes and a light that I'm using right now to film. Now we're gonna talk about my pictures, my wall decor. I have more of these pictures, but I just bought 2 frames because frames are expensive and I didn't yet. Anyways, your comfort zone will kill you. Nice reminder to myself to not get too comfortable with where I am in life. I can always be in bigger and better places. I have to be successful because I like expensive things. That's true, I like expensive things, therefore I need money to buy them. Tupac, huge inspiration of mine. I enjoy, now that I have my desk sitting there and having him there. Got my initials, don't ask. A picture of New York City. I'm from New Jersey, but they don't have many big printouts of New Jersey, so we do. We have a picture of me that my friend Stefan took. Amazing picture. I gotta get that framed. I keep telling myself to buy a frame for it, but I forget. Have another picture of New York, and then we have another picture that my friend Stefan took. That's crazy. Of me and a group of my friends. So yeah, you know, yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys, oh, that door over there is my closet. I did not tell y'all that. That's my closet. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. It's not too much of anything, but it's my room. It's where I find my peace. It's where I'm always at. I'm always here. I relax. Yeah, you know, I made it what I wanted to make it. I didn't do a room tour at my other house simply because my room wasn't what I wanted it to be then. And I still have, you know, ideas for my room now, like, so we'll see where it goes. Maybe in a couple months or so I'll do an updated room tour or something if I get more stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to know where I got anything, just let me know and I'll send you a link, or I'll let you know where to go to try and find it if they still have it in the comments below. So yeah, thank you guys for coming to Q World today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see me do next. Bye guys.